Hello, my name is Lightning McQueen, and this is Morning Shorts with Lightning. This is going to be a new series on the channel where I talk to my friends, go on awesome adventures with them, and talk to you in the morning. Now, each episode will have a special guest. Oh, here comes today's special guest. Hi, today's special guest. Hi. Now, tell us your name. My name is Mac. Yeah, Max. We were just talking about how Morning Shorts with Lightning will be a new series on this channel. Yeah, a mini-series, right? Yeah, a mini-series. I'll also be answering and asking all of your questions. Yeah, it's gonna be an awesome time, won't it? Yeah. Now let's get on to today's episode. You know, Lightning, I really would like to... What do you think he wants to do? A, fly. B, eat a sandwich. Or C, smell socks. You have 5 seconds to decide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, time is up. Did you say fly? Well then, you're correct. If you said eat a sandwich or smell a sock, then you're wrong. Now, what makes you want to fly? Well, I see planes going by right now. And I'd like to join them. You'd like to join them? Well, I have something. What do you think Lightning's gonna get? A smelly sock. B, toast. Or 3, a wand. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time is up. Did you say wand? Well then, you're correct. If you said all the other answers, then you're wrong. With my magical wand, you will be able to fly. I'm doing it! Yay! I knew that would help. Whee! Yay! Whee! Yay! Awesome! Yay! Whee! This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say, be careful up there. Whee! Hi, I'm Lightning McQueen, and welcome to my Morning Shorts. This is Morning Shorts with Lightning, and this is the second episode of it. Today, we have 2 guests, Mater and Wingo. Yuli, what do you think they're gonna do? A, Go to Taco Bell. B. Wrestle. Or C. Go to the movie theater. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say wrestle? Well done, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well done, you're wrong. We're gonna wrestle to see who was. What do you think they're gonna wrestle to do? A. See who is better. B. See who is terrible. Or C. See who can eat the most sandwiches. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say see who was better? Well done, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well done, you're wrong. Wrestle! We interrupt this program for breaking news. A big wrestle is going on at Morning Shorts with Lightning Studios. Wingo and Mater are fighting to see which one is better. And now it's our camera guy live at the scene. And right now it seems like they're fighting, having their fun. And now, back to your regularly scheduled Morning Shorts with Lightning. Man, wasn't that a huge war? Yeah, eat woolies. Did you like it? What do you think they said? A, no. B, yes. Or C, I kinda did, but not really. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say yes? Well done, you're correct. If you said all the other answers, well done, you're wrong. Did you know that wrestling is very popular? People have been wrestling for a long time. Yui. Hey, Lightning, can we do that again someday? Sure, I guess. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Wingo say, now can we do it? No. Hi, my name is Lightning McQueen, and welcome back to Morning Shorts with Lightning. Today's guest star is Sarge. Hi. Dum, 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 dum. Ha, ha, ha. I will make Sarge go. What do you think Wingo's gonna do to Sarge? A, act weird. B, go crazy, or C, eat a banana? You have 5 seconds. Ha ha ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say act crazy? Well then, you are correct. And if you said any of the other answers, you are wrong. Okay, time to make him go crazy. With my magical powers, Sarge will become crazy. There, that should work. Hee hee hee. Yeah, I'm so excited to. I'm going crazy. Make it stop. Oh my, how did that happen? So hilarious. Sarge, are you okay? What do you think Sarge is? A, okay, B, not fine, or C, sad? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say not fine? Well then, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Sarge, are you okay? Sarge, buddy, listen to me. I'm gonna find out who had done this. What's that I see up there? Why, I'm gonna go take a look. Wingo? Yeah? What did you do with Sarge? I did, nothing. Yeah, nothing. I'm sure you did something. And that something is that you made Sarge go crazy. Yes, I did. Well, come down here and see. Okay. It is not funny. Just look what you did. See? No, it's not fine. You should be ashamed of yourself. I still think it's pretty. Be quiet. It is not funny. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just look what you did to Sarge. Okay, I'm sorry. There, that's the spirit. Yeah, okay, what happened? Sarge! You're alive! Yay! And Wingo, since you did this, I'm gonna get you. Roar! Get him, Sarge! This has been lightning. Tune in next time to hear lightning say, guys, you're about to crash into me! Ah! Hi everyone, I'm Lightning McQueen, and this is Morning Shorts with Lightning. Today's special guest is Mac. Come here, Mac. So, Mac, how are you feeling on this lovely morning? Why, I'm feeling great, Lightning McQueen. So, are you excited to be on Morning Shorts with Lightning? Of course I am, Lightning McQueen. Because when I'm gonna be on, I'm gonna become famous and I'll be awesome and I'll be the best in the world and everyone will have autographs of me because I've been on Lightning Hearts with Lightning. Whoa, chill out, Mac. I know you're excited to become famous and all, but just calm down. Okay, Lightning McQueen. There, that's the spirit. So, Lightning, how happy are you to have your own show? What do you think Lightning is? Happy, mad, or sad? Those are your 3 choices. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say happy? Well then, you're correct. If you said sad or mad, well then, you're wrong. We're gonna have a ton of fun today. It'll be so awesome. And the best part's becoming famous. Yeah, I know. It's awesome. Because when I became famous like you, I was very happy. Dum, 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 dum. Oh no, it's Wingo. What's he up to today? Why, I'm up to taking Mac's trailer. But why? Because I'm evil. Okay, come to me. Ah, good. Thank goodness you're here. Time to escape with my beauty. Come on, let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be Mac? Yes, Lightning? Your trailer's missing. It's missing? What happened? Calm down. We'll find it. Because cars never give up. Yeah, and trucks never give up either, kids. Now let's go find it. We better escape now. Quick, hurry! Did I just hear Wingo? I don't know. Oh well, let's go find it. The perfect hiding spot. And we can listen to that guitar playing coming from... I don't know where it's coming from. Well, there's absolutely no way they can find us here. Right? Oh well, let's just listen to that lovely music. Hey, guitar playing. I think it's coming from over there. Let's go see. Yeah, the music is coming from over there. And you can see Wingo dancing to it. Hold on a second. I think I see the trailer. Do you see the trailer? If you do, say trailer. Trailer. And Wingo is still dancing to that music. Good spotting. Oh man, that music is so catchy. Wingo, you're under arrest. But the song is so catchy, I want to keep listening to it. Go to jail now. Wah, wah. Well, we have this back. Now let's go. Man, I'm glad we found my trailer. I am so... What do you think he is? A, happy, B, sad, or C, angry? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say happy? Well then, you're correct. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say, "Can I have a ride?" Sure. Why, hello everyone. Welcome back to Morning Shorts with Lightning. Now, I'm actually excited for today's episode because we have a big story to tell. Today's guest is Sheriff. He's going to be telling the story. This story is about being a police car. Yep, it sure is. I've been a police car for a long time. I like doing it. It is very... What do you think Sheriff's gonna say? Because is it very A, boring, B, fun, or C, very, very, very bad? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say fun? Well then, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Being a police car is a very hard job. I arrest people if they're doing bad stuff, such as speeding. Hold up, Miguel. What is it, Sheriff? You are going way too far off the speed limit. Oh. Therefore, I'm gonna have to give you a... What does Sheriff have to give Miguel? A, food, B, a ticket, or C, a DVD? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say ticket? Well then, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Sorry, sir. I am afraid that I'll have to give you a ticket. Oh man. Another example for this is chasing cars. Get back here. And that is my story, kids. You know, kids, being a police is very hard work. Would you like to be a police when you grow up? That's a pretty good choice. Thanks for the story, Sheriff. You're welcome, Lightning. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say, "Hey, look, kids. I'm a police car now." Meow. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Morning Shorts with Lightning. Now, today's special guest is come on out, the camera's on. Kaboody, they're ready for you on set. Kaboody, I said they're ready for you on set. What's taking you so long? I'll be right back, guys. Well, seems like I didn't find her. Has she even arrived yet? Oh well. You know, I might as well just end here. Yeah, I'll do that. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say... Wait, hold on a second. I think I need another chance. Oh, okay, sure, Lightning. Well, maybe I should just wait. Yeah, waiting should be good. And Oh, Kaboody, you're finally here. What took you so long? Oh, I was practicing my pirate stuff. Okay, you can stop now. Okay. That's it! What's it? Today's Morning Shorts with Lightning can be all about you wanting to be a pirate. Yeah, let's do that. Wow, that's gonna be exciting. Yeah, I know. Yar har har and a yar har har. Pirates often like to look for treasure. Treasure? Let me go find some. Did not find treasure. Well, I don't know. Maybe you'll find some booty soon. Yeah, maybe I will soon. Let me look again. Still did not find any booty. Look again. I found some booty. I found this giant model of Sarge. That's not a model of Sarge. That is Sarge. Hey, put me down. Oh, sorry, Sarge. Hey, kids, what do you think I should find? A, treasure, B, a smelly sock, or C, toast? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say treasure? Well done, you're correct. If you said any of the other answers, well then, you're wrong. Well, we said both of them at the same time. Yeah, I said one sentence and you said the other. Well, yeah, that stuff. Let me go look for some treasure. Oh, I told her it will take ages for her to find treasure. McQueen, I found some treasure. You did? It's this turtle. Look what it does. Wow, I think that's from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah, it is. Awesome find. And it can also fly. What do you think it's flying with? A, its wings. B, its purple masked thingy. Or C, its hand. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you say his wings? Well done, you're correct. If you say any of the other answers, well done, you're wrong. Wee. Whoa. Arg! Now I know how it's all about to be a pirate. Yep. You know, I should go put an eye patch on and join a pirate crew and look for some more booty. Arg! I am a pirate, I am a pirate, I am a pirate. Well, this has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say, have you found any treasure yet? Wow! And Hi guys, Lightning here, and welcome back to Morning Shorts with Lightning. Now you can see that I am pretty sad. That's because this is the last one. Lightning! Calm down. Can you give me a tissue? Just die up. I'm just really sad. This was very fun to host. And the camera guides had a lot of fun filming it. Usually I knew. But like people say, you got on your job due to the end. Yes. Well, let's just start the final morning shorts. Oh, and today's special guest is Mater. Lightning, why are you feeling so bad? I already told you, because this is the last morning short. Well, you're wasting the time. We gotta go. Oh, okay. Now, here are all the people that have guest starred, except for Mater, usually, because I'm guest starring on this one. So, well, halfly all the people that have guest starred. And yeah, it's been an awesome time hosting this mini-series, and I hope maybe one day I could return to it. Usually, it could possibly be gone forever. Right after this episode. How many people guest starred? A, 6, B, 43, or C, 100? You have 5 lightning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say 6? Well done, you're correct. If you say that you get the answers, well done, you're wrong. Could you please stop crying already? It's no big deal. But Mater, I'm just sad that Morning Shorts with Lightning is ending. Well, it was a mini-series, Lightning. Yes, I know it was a mini-series. It's time to move on, Lightning. Disney Tale Productions has other things to do than making Morning Shorts with Lightning all the time. Well, I guess this would be a good time to count down our favorite moments from the series. The top 5. Number 5. Max wanted to be famous. Oh, and yeah, and since I'll have been on Morning Shorts of Life, Max, calm down. Number 4. Mater and Wingo had a big wrestle. Whoa! Number 3. Swords went all crazy. I'm going crazy. Make it stop. Number 2. Kaboody pretended to be a pirate. And for number 1, Max Floyd. Wee. Yahoo! We had so much fun making Morning Shorts with Lightning. What was your favorite part of the series? I liked that part too. Okay, everyone, say Morning Shorts. Morning Shorts. This has been Morning Shorts with Lightning. Tune in next time to hear Lightning say goodbye, guys. Lightning, I told you to stop crying.